I do is hustle.
What is up, Pyro Nation? We are here with 2016 fireworks from Pyro Demon. It is Destroyer. Let's check out this Destroyer. It's got the Pyro Demon initials on top. We're going to do some serious kicking of the ass going on there. Another look, 25 shots again, 500 gram cake. Here's your warning. All right, let's get to our performance. So we have brocade crown with red tips, to brocade crown with green tips, to brocade crown with blue tips, to brocade crown with white glitter tips, ending in a brocade crown finale with crackle. Crackle is the theme of the year, seems lately, last few years. So we have here, popping the lid, got a bunch of tubes here. What do you guys think? Inch and a half again? Inch? Let's take a look. We got inch. Inch tubes, 25 shots. Should be nice. Alright, let's waste no time. Let's get to checking this out, of course, when it's darker. See you in a bit. Destroyer.